eating with y'all again. Thank y'all for eating with me, though, because let me tell you something. If I don't eat with you guys, I usually don't eat, or I'll eat cold food. I'll get stuff, and then I won't eat it. It'll sit there, and then it'll be all cold, and I won't eat it anymore. So tonight, I have hot, fresh fries. Can you guess where? By looking at them. Wienerschnitzle. It's Wienerschnitzel. I shouldn't even be eating it, but I don't care. I can just storage unit. Got all the clothes out. Everything out. From all the past 20 years. My ex and I had a good relationship. We just kind of grew apart. He was with me for 10 years, and then we remained friends up until recently he got a girl, and now we're not friends anymore. And apparently we had to clean out the whole storage unit because he don't want to have a storage unit anymore together. So, yeah. On top of everything else, I have that happening. And he was literally like my best friend. That's why when I say I don't have no friends, no one to talk to or anything, he was like my only friend. I haven't spoken to him in a long time. Ever since he got engaged. And I was really upset at him because when my mom was passing, I let him know, thinking since he lived with my parents for probably at least 7 years or more, that he would want to see her before she passed. You know. He was like, oh, I always pray for you guys. That's it. So I'm like, yep, I liked it. I don't care. I'm just like, it's crazy to me that you can be in a relationship with someone say you'll love them forever, you want to be with them forever, or not even, if you're not going to be with them forever, you're going to love them forever. Even as a friend. And then one day, just poof. Just no fucks given. How is that possible, y'all? Because I still be heartbroken over it. That's why I'm eating like this right now. I'm trying to hide my feelings because I'm kind of devastated. And it's like an end of an era. Like, that was like literally the last connection that we have, and we'll probably never speak again. And that's fucking crazy to me. Like, I was in a car accident and he took care of me, wiped my booty, everything. How do you go from that to not even speaking? I don't know, but here I am. And side note, it's also kind of depressing because it's like, oh, he's moved on. He found himself a good person. I don't know if she's good though. She's not good, but found himself a person. And he's going to be happy or whatever. And here I am. Cleaning out the storage by myself. Eating Wienerschnitzel. Talking with y'all. Which I love talking to y'all. Don't get me wrong. It's the only thing actually keeping me sane anymore. Which is why I love and thank y'all. Oh my god. Who else loves Wienerschnitzel corn dogs, bro? Oh my god, they're amazing if you ask me. So anyways, I'm going to eat this, and I'm so glad that I stopped to eat with you guys and ate it all nice and fresh and hot. And then I'm going to go home and get some more work done. Maybe sell some more stuff. and just not trying to dwell on the negative going on. And that's not even the douchebag that I'm talking about. That was actually the last decent relationship that I was in. And now it's gone over forever. Oh my God, it's so hot. Whew. That's bomb. That is bomb. Time to go home to my empty house. It's not empty. My dogs are there. Can't count them out, but y'all know what I mean. There's nobody there to greet me, help me get all the stuff out. I don't know. Yesterday I was hella mean to one of my sisters because I'm just overwhelmed and tired. I don't know. It's just been a day. It's been a Monday. I hope you guys had a great Monday. I'm going to finish eating. I didn't show y'all the chili cheese fries because they in the bottom. I can't even get to them. But I'm sure they look phenomenal like always. Ooh, hot. Ah. Ooh. Big backing tonight and nobody cares. Oh shit, Wienerschnitzle. I think that dude's looking at me. I don't care. I don't care at all. No fucks given. I love y'all. Thanks for watching. This is hitting like there ain't nobody's